don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anura here, and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video I'll be showing you how I create my wig, caps. So for doing the wig cap of today, I have 14 inches 2 bundles Brazilian hair and one closure, 12 inches of Brazilian hair closure. So guys, as you can see, the bundles are quite big, so I'm going in for 2 and I think it will be enough. So that's what I'm doing right here. So I'll just go in now and mark my now I will just go in now and put my closure down, like lay down my closure. Now I'll go in first and mark it with a pencil. You need any kind of pencil, white, any color, red. As long as the cap is black, you can use any color on it. So you just go in and you mark it to help you track what you're going in for. So that's what I'm just trying to do right here now. So tracking it round, like following the track I'm going in with. So when you're done with that, you just put that aside and you take your bobby pin. Yeah, that's what we're done with. You see, that's what I'm going in for. Just go in now, trying to place it, take my bobby pin and trying to lay down the closure before going in with my sewing. So when I put it on the same track of the pencil, I just go in now, place the bobby pin to lay it down like flat, guys. You don't want to start sewing and something it's moving that you can't stand it, so you just pin it down and you use a clipper and clip all the hair up and you're good to go, guys. So now I'm good to go. I'll just go in now. You can see from round, the hair round, all it's laid down. So now I'll just go in now with my sewing. So starting with your closure, you start from the front part and you make sure you give it a reasonable amount of sew from the beginning. Like you can secure it from there, like, well, I think 4 to 5 times will do. Just secure it well, and when you think you're done with that, you just move in with your sewing, like you continue with your sewing from behind. You just continue going, and that's it, guys. It's so easy to make a wig at home. It's so much easier than I ever thought. So you just make your way through. When it's laid like that, nothing distract, nothing interrupt, nothing disturb you from going in with your sewing. You see, it's laid down peacefully, and you just go with your sewing. And when you get to the other end, you do the same thing. You secure it the same way. You just secure it well, and that's it, guys. We secure, you cut your thread, and that's it. We are done. You're done with your closure. Your closure, it's laid down. So now you go now with your cap. You try to lay it down, put a bobby pin round, so when you're sewing, you should have been distracted, flipping up, like trying to move from where you put it. So now starting with your sewing, you go in from where the closure started. From where the closure started, that's where you're going to start with your sewing. You just give it a reasonable amount of sewing there. You do it the same way. You know, you need to secure it well, secure it quite well, so you don't have anything hanging up anywhere. So you just do it like that and you continue with your sewing, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm just making my way through the hair now. You can see I'm doing fast forward because the video is really long. It's really long, guys. So I really try my best to do a fast forward on the video. So I'm just making my way through around the hair. Use a bobby pin. You can use a bobby pin to help you tuck the hair at the other end, so you can go in with your sewing very easy and fast. So that's what I'm doing. So you just go in with your sewing until you get at the other end of the hair. So that's it. As you can see, the sewing is very neat, and you have to give a short step. You know, it's a wig cap. You don't want to rush over it and later on you start having some falling out hair. So you just need to get your time, take your time and do the stuff well, so it's gonna last for a long time. So when you do it well, it's gonna really last for a long time. So that's what I'm doing, just taking my time sewing the wig cap gradually and putting the music, cheering me up. Have your water, a bottle of water around you to help you, gives you some energy. So guys, now you get to the other end. You just secured your hair very well. You just go in and secure it well, like secure it as in very well. And you flipped up the hair over. When you flipped up the hair, please do not cut your hair. When you cut your hair, you start having shedding. Your hair start to shed, and it won't be good. When you comb your hair and you see your hair falling, you yourself, you're not happy about it. So avoid cutting your Brazilian wig, okay? Avoid cutting your bundles. When you avoid that, you won't have much shedding on your hair. So I'm just going in with my sewing. That's what I'm doing, guys. Join me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so very much. I really appreciate each and every one of you out there for always giving me the support, always giving me the courage to go ahead, the love. Thank you guys so much. So now I'm moving in with my second bundle, guys. As you can see, that's the second bundle. The first bundle is over, so I go in now with the second bundle. And starting from the bundle, you just need to secure it. You know what to do. Secure it well for it to be laid down flat. When you're done with that, go in with your sewing. Just continue sewing your hair round. Take it all round. Anyhow you know you can sew it, just go ahead and sew. Sewing is sewing. It doesn't matter the method you use, but when you're sewing, you make sure you always secure the sewing, always grab the thread, to secure it. It's a wig cap. You want it to last for a long time. You don't want to rush over it. Later on, you start having problems with it. So you just go in with your sewing gradually. Yeah, so I'm just making my way through. The hair. As you can see, we are almost at the end of the sewing. So I think we have just 2 or 3 minutes to go to the end of this video. So guys, when you get here, you just continue with your flipping. Just continue your flipping over. You just continue to go your round and flipping the hair over. So that's it. We're almost at the end of the video. Thank you guys so very much. I really appreciate each and every one of you out there for always giving me that support, always showing me that love. Thank you guys so very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. Yeah. Sorry guys, this camera, I placed it the wrong way, so I could not show the middle part. I could not show what I'm doing at the middle. I'm really sorry about that, but I'll try my best next time not to put the camera in the wrong position. So now that's what we have left. So when we get at this point of your hair, you just take your hair round. As in, you should take it round. Yeah, so you just take it round until you get at the finishing point, until you get where you see this round knot at the middle. You still go it round and close it. You make sure you close every hole from it. Yeah, as you can see what I'm doing right there. You just go in and close that part of it. When you close that part of it, you're done with your wig. So guys, that is it. That is our wig. Yeah, so that's it. As you see from there, that's the last part. Now I'm going in with to just close it well. Go in and make sure you close that part very well. This my mannequin don't want to stay with me at all. What's moving I don't understand. Never hasn't ever been moving this way, but when I was doing this week, I got tired of it. It was moving. I don't know if I didn't place it well. I don't know. So now we are done with our wig. You just secure it. When you're done securing it, that is it. Cut your needle and we are done. You move it up from your mannequin and you cut the cap. You need to cut the cap to make the lace closure visible on your scalp. You understand? So when you cut it, That's it. That's what I got. So now just go in now and put it back at the mannequin's hair. Yeah, I'm just trying to comb it. Just go in now and put it back on the mannequin's hair. Yeah, I'm just putting it back there because I need to cut the closure, you know. I need to cut the closure. So I just combing the hair or back. I struggled to style the hair. But I was so tired. I said no, I'm not gonna style it. I will just cut the closure and that's it. I will be doing a review of the hair some other time. So now I'm just going in cutting the closure. You know, it's very easy to cut the closure on the mannequin. So easy, so very easy. So you can see that's the hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's all about the video for today. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you out there. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video to all your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so very much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.